Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful, welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and trending designs of handmade crochet dresses. These are very amazing and attractive collections, so viewer please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. I hope this video is very beautiful and helpful for all the crochet lovers. So we will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and trending designs of handmade crochet dresses. These are very amazing and outstanding collection. So you know very well, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique design of handmade crochet dresses. These are very amazing and aesthetic collection. So viewer, pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for yourself for more beautiful and outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection. So my lovely viewer, now I am share with you some benefits of crochet. So viewer, these are the benefits including breathability. Crochet fabric allows for excellent airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable in warm and summer weather. It's a lightweight. Crochet dresses are often lighter than traditional clothings, making them perfect for hot summer weathers and summer days. Flexibility. Crochet fabric stretches and move with you, providing a full range of motion. Softness. Crochet dresses are incredibly soft and gentle on the skin. Customization. Choose your favorite color. You can choose your favorite color, yarn and pattern to create a unique and personalized dress. Sustainable Sustainability. Crocheting your own dresses reduce your carbon footprints and supports slow fashion. Relaxing and meditative. Crocheting can be a calming and therapeutic activity. Cost effective. Making your own dresses can save you money compared to buying them. Unique and handmade. Your crochet dress will be one of a kind, reflecting your personal style. Perfect your layering. Crochet dresses can be worn on their own or layered under jackets or cardigans for a stylish look. Easy to care for. Crochet dresses are often easy to wash and dry, making them a practical choice for summer. Versatile. Crochet dresses can be dressed up or down, making them suitable for various occasions. Crocheting summer dresses is a great way to create comfortable, stylish, and sustainable clothing feel, enjoying the benefits of handmade crafting. I hope my lovely viewer you all are understand and happy for all type of instructions. So viewer, now I am here with you the main question in all the beginners mind, what is the crochet? So crochet is a wonderful hobby that combines creativity, relaxation, and handiness. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create a fabric. It's used to make a wide range of items, from clothing accessories to home decor and toys. So, if you're interested in learning how to crochet, I can provide you some basic instruction. Watch my all the previous videos. All the tutorials are available on my channel, and I can provide you with some basic instruction and resources to get you started. Or if you're already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with patterns, tips, and inspiration for your next project. What would you like to know about crochet? Share your experience. So viewer, if you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. See you soon. Bye bye.